In this video, I'm going to show you how to write the equation of a line passing through a particular point and either parallel or perpendicular to a given line. So in this case, the line that we're perpendicular to, as opposed to parallel, is 2x minus 5y equals 10, and the line that we have to pass through, the point that we have to pass through is negative 3, 6. And one of the key words in this problem is, besides perpendicular, which is of course important, is write the point-slope equation, or point-slope form. So to briefly review, point-slope form looks like this. Y minus the y value equals the slope, x minus the x value. And just to clarify, there are three parts that go into this form. This is the generic formula. The x value of the point that you're passing through, which in this case was negative 3, 6, so it's not quite, this is just a generic formula. The x value that you're passing through goes here. The y value that you're passing through for your given point or your determined point goes here, and the slope of the line that you are describing goes right here. Now in this case, we were asked to find a perpendicular slope, so we have to take that with a grain of salt, but we'll get there when we get there. For now, keep in mind there are three numbers we need to actually complete this equation: the x value, the y value of the point we're passing through, and the slope of the line that we are describing. So going back to the problem as it was posed, write the point-slope equation of a line through this point. So really, we have a lot of our work already done for us. We have our point, which is negative 3, 6. I'm trying to keep the color coding here. So that means that my 6 is going to go right here, and my negative 3 is going to go right here. The only thing I really need to do is to figure out what is the slope of the line that I'm trying to describe. And we know that that line has to be perpendicular to this one. And if you recall, perpendicular slopes have an opposite reciprocal relationship. So I need to find, well, what's the slope of this line? What's the slope of the line that I'm using as my reference? So to do that, I need to solve for y. I need to get this into slope-intercept form. So I currently have 2x minus 5y equals 10. So solving for y here, subtract 2x from both sides will give me negative 2x plus 10 over here, and negative 5y over here. Very common mistake to overlook that negative. Divide everything by negative 5y in order to cancel. Negative 5, negative 5, negative 5. Giving me just y equal to, let's see, this will be positive by negative, will give me a negative 2. And critically, a negative by a negative will give me a positive result. And this would be 2/5 x. So my given line has a slope of 2/5. So in order to make that perpendicular, so 2/5 is going to be perpendicular to what slope? Well, perpendicular slopes have this opposite reciprocal relationship. The opposite part would mean that if this guy is positive, which it is, this guy here will be negative, and vice versa. If the given were negative, then the perpendicular would be positive. So there's the opposite requirement satisfied. One's positive, one's negative. The second requirement is a reciprocal, which is to say the numerator and the denominator are flipped. So the opposite reciprocal, and there's my slope. So all I have to do now is to plug everything in. So now that I have all my ingredients listed out, I put them in the recipe. Y minus the y value equals my slope, which I just got to be negative 5/2, x minus the x value, which is negative 3. Let me give myself some room here. X minus the x value, which is negative 3. That can be cleaned up a bit. Let me go ahead and make this a positive 3, just because it's a little more traditional. And there's your answer. The point-slope form of a line passing through a given point, which gave us most of our ingredients, perpendicular to a given line, which we had to then take and find its slope, which then gave us our remaining ingredient. Hope this helps.